How to cache code in Xero. So cache coding is a super way of reconciling a vast amount of transactions in one go instead of having to scroll through and hit OK on things that have got bank rules, for example. It also lets you sort the data quite rapidly. So how do we do that? From the bank rec screen, we hit the cache coding tab. You have to have the right access to be able to see this tab as well. Normal users are not able to see this tab. So if you can't see it, it's your user access rights. Once we're here, we can see all the transactions and we can sort these by payee, by date, or by what we spent or what we've received value-wise. So very flexible to look at things. Some things are already reconciled here. Now, this is because these already have a bank rule set up and Xero has seen that fact. Bank rules are discussed in another video, but if we want to reconcile them, we don't need to press anything else, just hit save and reconcile. So if you've got a bank statement full of bank rules, don't go clicking them one by one. Come into here and hit reconcile. You'll do them all in one go. Now you might notice there are 22 items to reconcile, but there are only 18 being displayed here. And that is because it is hidden the amount, the invoices, or bank transactions, sorry, that have got invoices attached to them or that so Xero thinks is a match. So Xero doesn't want you to code things up directly for things that might have an invoice. If you do want to see them, I can tick that box and now, oh look, Ridgeway University appears. But this green tick says, I don't think you should be cache coding this because there is an invoice to match to this payment. So generally you don't want to cache code things with the green tick on, which is why Xero hides them. You can also quickly make mass codings on the cache coding screen. To do that, for example, city parking, we've seen that a lot of times. I can highlight all of those and let's just say Parkside in this example is also travel here. I can tick all of those, pop a description in one of them. It will then copy them over, pop travel in there, pop my relevant VAT rate, and you can then see it applies that to all of them in one go. I can hit reconcile and boom, there goes 6 transactions. So cache coding is a quick way to get through the things that don't have invoices.